Today we've got some pivotal insights into the iPhone 15 series, proving that even the cutting-edge tech can have its share of challenges. In this video, we'll be discussing two issues that have garnered significant attention within the tech community. Stick around as we explore these in depth. iPhone 15 overheating issue. Let's jump straight into the first concern, which revolves around the iPhone 15 overheating problem. The tech sphere has been buzzing with reports of certain iPhone 15 Pro models running hotter than expected. A notable figure in the industry, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, has weighed in on this matter and uncovered a surprising revelation. It's not the fault of the A17 Pro chipset. The root of this overheating issue can be traced back to Apple's quest to make these devices lighter and more compact. In their pursuit of sleekness, they had to reduce the heat dissipation area, which, when combined with the high heat conductivity of titanium, has led to suboptimal heat management for the new chipset. While Apple might address this concern through a software update, it may come at the expense of limiting the phone's performance to generate less heat. USB 2.0 versus USB 3.0. Now let's shift our focus to the next issue, the disparity between USB capabilities in the iPhone 15 models. Contrary to the assumption that all iPhone 15 models offer the same USB performance, it turns out that only the Pro Max models come equipped with USB 3.0, while the entry-level iPhones stick with USB 2.0. But what does this mean in practical terms? USB 2.0 provides data transfer speeds of up to 480 Mbps, matching the Lightning technology. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro models support USB 3.0, which boasts an impressive 10 Gbps data transfer rate. This divergence in USB capabilities is something users should be aware of, depending on their specific needs and preferences. And that brings us to the conclusion of our iPhone 15 update, highlighting the concerns surrounding overheating, the USB 2.0 limitations, and the cable compatibility issues. We'll be closely observing how Apple addresses these challenges, but we're also eager to hear from you. Do these issues pose a significant concern for you as a potential iPhone 15 owner? Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We sincerely appreciate your presence today and hope you found this video both informative and insightful. If you did, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more captivating tech updates. Until our next encounter, stay tech savvy and informed.